Adding a user can only be done by an administrator. If you're an administrator, then you can add users very simply. First, click the Administration tab. If you see a not authorized message, then you're not an administrator. Fortunately, your Connect account can include as many administrators as are needed, so just contact someone who is an administrator and ask them to add you to the administrators group. We'll talk about assigning roles in a future quick tip. But if you're an administrator, what you will see next is your account information page. Click the Users and Groups link, and you'll see the Users and Groups interface. Before you start adding users, you might want to give some thought to what kind of data you need to store for your users. Click the Customize User Profile link to see the fields that are currently included. If you want to add another field, you can choose from a list of available fields by clicking the Add Predefined Fields button. Check the checkbox of any field that you see here and click the Save button. If you don't see the field that reflects the data you need to store about your user, you can click the New Field button instead. This will allow you to create your own custom text field. Give it whatever name you like and decide whether it will be required or not. Then click the Save button. When you have the user profile set up the way you want it, return to the Users and Groups interface. To add a user, click the New User button. Fill in the fields with your user information and determine whether you want to send an email to the user with their information, the default is yes, and whether you want the user to have to change their password the next time they log in. The default for that is no. Click the Next button. Set the user's membership in any groups. Just select the group and click Add. Click Finish. Congratulations, you just created a Connect user account.